Alright guys, Chris Lambert here again. I found one more thing. Feels like it could be a tripod related thing, so let's open this up and find out what this is. Oh, it's a newer. Okay, so boy, how many of these did I buy? Is it different? One of my favorite brands here lately. Yeah, I guess I wanted another one of these, so I got another one. It's another metal phone holder. Works really well. Whoop. Yeah, it's got your magnetic little Allen wrench holders. See the magnets in there? Yeah, it's tighten it this way, adjustable that way, and you can mount stuff. Cold shoes here, cold shoe right there. Adjust this. You can screw it onto your tripod here, and it also moves back and forth this way. So it does everything I want it to do. It's really tight now, but it's got the Allen wrench. So yeah. So again, thanks for watching. Be back in later when I get some more stuff and we'll unbox it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.